Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new notification email address into your Tuta mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Tuta mail application on your desktop. After opening the Tuta mail, you just simply have to go into settings by tapping into this gear icon on the bottom left side. Just click into that, and after clicking there, go to email settings and scroll all the way down to the bottom. From there, you will get this notification setting here. Just simply click on this show button. Now, you will get the option to add notification email addresses here. In order to add, you just simply have to click on this plus icon here. After tapping there, you can add your notification email address. Now, in order to do that, you will need a premium subscription for Tuta. If you need that feature desperately, you can subscribe to any of the packages of Tuta and proceed with the notification email address. Otherwise, you can just avoid that setting. By following these very easy steps, you can easily add a notification email address into your Tuta mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.